Darjeeling, one of the most beautiful tourist spots in the world. Darjeeling is a district in the Indian state of West Bengal. It's located in the northern part of the state. Darjeeling is famous for its geo-natural beauty, tea, and the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Darjeeling is becoming a popular holiday destination in India due to its infinite beauty and pleasant climate. Apart from tourism, Darjeeling is popular for its various British-style private schools which attract students from all over India and even from neighboring countries. Darjeeling is called the Queen of the Hills. Mount Kanchenjunga is located in the rolling hills above the sky. Darjeeling is world famous for its tea and tea industry. It's the land of the World Heritage Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, where the centuries old miniature steam locomotive quickly disappeared. Regarding Darjeeling, world poet Rabindranath Tagore said, "Flowers are everywhere, the days are cold and the sun seems to be playing hide and seek with us." Darjeeling is the district headquarters. Kalimpong, Karshiong and Shiliguri are the other three major cities of the district. Mirik, another important city in the district. This is a famous tourist destination. The total population of Darjeeling district is 18 lakhs 42,034. The locals of Darjeeling like to eat rice with beef and lentils. Their other popular dishes are mum, thupka, gandrak and chang. The best time to visit Darjeeling is from March to April and from September to November. There are many places of interest in Darjeeling. In it, the world's highest railway station, Ghum, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, monument to Tenzing Rock, the first ever conqueror, Happy Valley Tea Garden, etc. So, Darjeeling is an ideal paradise for nature lovers.